Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we're going to show you a quick and easy video for making pom pom sheep in any colour that you may wish to make them in. Let's take a look and see how they're made. So you can use a pom pom maker like this one, which we love using. It's great for kids, or you can make your own one out of cardboard, and I've got instructions for how to make ones, or even templates for you to download as well. But yeah, let's begin by making the actual pom pom. So I'm going to make a white little sheep today. Very easy. You open it up, you take your thread and you start wrapping. The only thing you have to be careful of is that you do not cross these bits, okay? And then you just go round and round, and then we'll do the next, show you the next bit in a moment. If you're doing one of these pom-poms, you go all the way around up to the opening and get it as thick as you possibly can. So that's quite full, all clean here. I'm going to just shut it and snip this bit off. And then carefully open the other side and repeat on this side. And again, you just click it down and snip it off. So you have both sides fully wrapped. Next, you will take some scissors. The sharper they are, the better. I actually find these little ones work best. And you carefully cut into your pom-pom. So between the two lines. And now it's time for some thread. Sometimes wool rips when you knot it, so you might want to get some baker's twine, which is much stronger, or some other thread that's stronger, but I think the wool I've got's okay. So just again, check what you've got. Now wrap it round between the two lines, pull as tight as you can, and tie off. As mentioned, you can do this with cardboard. At this point, you would have two strips of cardboard next to each other and the thread would go between. So you've tied this off. Now you're going to open and, oh, I haven't cut something properly. No, open. There we go, that's all right, phew. So I've opened it up and now you just pull it apart. And you have your basic pom-pom. Isn't that cute? Sometimes you'd like to trim it maybe. I'm going to trim it a little bit if you need to. It doesn't need much trimming actually, this one. This one seems to be quite neat for some reason. Sometimes I have more to trim. So now to turn it into a little sheep. I've cut a pipe cleaner in half and then in half again to make these two little feet. I'm also going to cut out a little black face from some felt. If you don't have felt or pipe cleaners, use some black card. I think that would look really nice as well. And I'm basically going to cut, in my head, I'm going to cut like a little oval, almost like an egg shape. But before I get to the top, I'm going to add some little ears. So I'm going to cut it in one piece so that it's all attached. You could always just cut a circle and then some ears and just glue it all together. Or create a little template first. I do always tell that to my children, do a drawing first, and then sometimes that's easier. Get my googly eyes. Let's see what size to use. Oh, I think that's perfect, but let's get some cleaner ones. They look a bit mucky. You can play with googly eyes. You can of course use little ones as well. Let's just see what they look like if you used like two little ones. That's also quite cute, look at that. So just play, see what you have. I quite like the medium-sized ones. I think it's fun to have big ones. Oh look, you can even put some crazy ones. Anyway, so yes, googly eyes. So you have your feet, your face like an oval with two ears, and your pom-pom. And then the easiest way really, of course, is to use a hot glue gun. I'm going to begin by just sticking the eyes to the face. if you're hanging yours up, just make sure you know where the front is. And then you can leave it like this. I think that's also really cute, super, super lovely. Or you can add the little feet. Now, if you add the feet, the great thing about that is you could snip the top off and they can stand. But it's totally up to you, you don't have to do it. I'm just gonna put some glue at the top. Again, you can use PVA glue for this. It just takes a little bit longer to dry. And then you position it, find a little spot, separate it, push it in, and then put the wool over it. Look at that, so cute. And then repeat with the second one. And again, you don't have to make the feet shaped at the bottom, but I think it's quite fun. And then again, put some glue around it and open it up at the bottom first, make some space, squish it in as far as you can, and then secure the wool around it. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to make a pom-pom sheep using a clover maker or a cardboard disc. So yeah, I hope you have a go. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye. Now remember, once they're finished, you can use them as a little garland, hang them all up together. You can add them to wreaths, you can have them as little decorations, or just play with them. So one little craft, lots of way to use it.